Want to disconnect your T-Mobile home internet? The first key step is deactivation, also known as unlinking your gateway from your account. This stops your service and prevents further billing. As of October 2025, the easiest way to do this is through the T-Mobile app or website. Log in, find the Home Internet section, and select Deactivate or Unlink device. Be sure to confirm your choice and allow up to 48 hours for processing. Unlinking wipes network settings, but it's wise to do a factory reset manually for enhanced privacy. If you encounter issues during the deactivation in the app, call T-Mobile support at 1-800-937-8997. If you leased your T-Mobile gateway, which most users do, physically returning it is essential after unlinking to avoid ongoing fees. Using the T-Mobile app, request a prepaid return shipping label. Carefully package the gateway, removing the SIM card if applicable, and ship it back. Double-check that you receive confirmation of the return. Failure to return the device can lead to monthly inactive device fees. Note that deactivation voids any warranties. If you are on a custom plan, check the terms to avoid early termination fees. If you encounter issues during the return process, call T-Mobile support at 1-800-937-8997.